Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to our science class. As you know, our PT1 exams are over. Now we will start our revision of the half yearly exams. So today we will start the chapter number 4, that is the solids, liquids and gases. Children, this chapter is not new for you because you have already learned in your previous class, that is in your 4th class. So what do you mean by the matter? Matter means anything that has mass. Mass means its weight and that occupies the space. मीन्स कोई भी चीज़ जिसका कोई वेट होता है और जो पर्टिकुलर स्पेस लेता है वी कॉल द मैटर एंड मैटर आर मेड अप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द मॉलिक्यूल्स मॉलिक्यूल्स आर द वेरी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स which we cannot see by our naked eye, so we have to use the microscope to see them. So there are after that we will learn about the states of matter. So there are 3 states of matter. We categorize into 3 parts, 3 types. First one is the solids, liquids and gases. These states of matter is divided according to the arrangement of the molecules in the solids, liquids and gases. So first of all we will discuss about the solids. In the solids the arrangement of molecules are very close. Means they are very much packed. Like you can see here the molecules arrangement, they are very closely packed and they have strong force of attraction between them. So they are unable to move and shift here and there. So there the examples of solids are the duster is here, the chalk is here, and we can say that the box is here. It occupies space and also have weight. Same as your textbook also is a solid. So it has molecules which are closely packed. So they have the definite shape and definite volume. Okay. So next we will learn about the liquids. First liquid, that means liquid in which the arrangement of molecules are not strong as the solids and not weak as gases. Means they are the mediator. Means their the arrangement of molecules are close but not too much close कि वो एक definite shape form करता है. And liquid form, whenever we pour any liquid in any container, it takes the shape of that particular container. So they have very, as compared to solids, the force of attraction between the molecules is less, and it has not a definite shape and even have the definite volume. Okay, it has no definite shape, but the volume is definite. Here is in the solid, there is a definite shape, also the definite volume. Okay, the examples of those liquids are the water. Water is the example of the liquid, juices, alcohol and the floor cleaner. These are the liquids. And next we will move to the gases. So in the gases the arrangement of molecules are very loosely packed. Means कि बहुत ज़्यादा लूज होते हैं. So किसी भी जगह पे अगर वो गैस हो, सपोज हम लोग अगरबत्ती होते हैं, इंसेंस स्टिक्स बोलते हैं, उसको हम जलाते हैं, बर्न करते हैं, तो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व कि जहाँ जहाँ स्पेस होगा वहाँ पे वो स्प्रेड होता जाता है. सो these molecules are not closely packed, they are very much loosely, they spread as much as fast, or they don't need any definite, they don't have any definite shape, even the definite volume also. Okay, suppose this is the room. अगर यहाँ पे हमने अगरबत्ती या कैंडल ब्लो किया है, तो अगर वो बुझ गई है तो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व द स्मेल इज ओनली इन दैट रूम. इफ यू ओपन द विंडोज एंड द डोर्स तो इट विल स्प्रेड आउटसाइड द रूम ऑल्सो. So the gas example of gases is oxygen that we breathe in and the carbon dioxide that is breathed out. So this is about the states of matter. They are the 3 states of matter. In your textbook you have MCQs that number 1 is here. First is anything that has mass, occupies space is called solid, liquid or matter. So we called it matter. What we called it? Matter. And next one is a matter is made up of a very small particle. Means कि जो matter होता है वो किससे बनता है? बहुत small particle. We called it molecules, moles या materials. So you have to take mark the A option, that is the molecules, is the correct one. So number 3 is which of the following fills the container completely. Means कि कौन सा है जो container को completely fill कर देता है. If suppose I have there is a container. Suppose this is the okay, this is the bottle. I have इसमें क्या डाल दिया? Balls डाल दी इसमें. So balls जितनी होगी limited होगी मेरे पास. Suppose 50 balls होगी I have, मैंने उसमें डाला, तो it only cover जहाँ तक वो balls आ रही है, because the arrangement of molecules are very much closely packed. सो इसकी स्पेस रेस्ट ऑफ स्पेस क्या रहेगी, खाली रहेगी. ओके, सो इफ़ यू आर, अब मैंने इसमें पानी डाला है, तो यू कैन सी द पानी यहाँ पर है, तो लिक्विड के मॉलिक्यूल्स यहीं तक रहेंगे. एंड इफ़ आई फिल द गैस इनसाइड इट, सो क्या होगा, ये गैस पूरी बॉटल में फिल हो जाएगी और वी कांट सी इट, हम उसको देख भी नहीं पाएंगे. सो सबसे मीन्स कि कम्प्लीटली जो हमारे कंटेनर को फिल करता है वो कौन सा स्टेट ऑफ मैटर है, दैट इज द गैसेस. So you have to take mark the C options. Next we will learn about the change of states. So means ki changing of state means solid to liquid, liquid to solid, and liquid to gas, gas to liquid. So we will discuss one by one about these changes of states. First one is the evaporation. That means, what do you mean by the evaporation? The change of liquid into its gaseous state. Means ki solid liquid to gas, if it is changing on heating, that process we called it evaporation. What do we call it? When liquid change into gas on heating, we call that process is evaporation. The example is that when we boil the water, it's फॉर्म स्टीम्स. जब हम पानी को बॉयल करते हैं, हम उसको बॉयल करते रहते हैं और वो क्या बनता है, स्टीम बनता रहता है. और लेटर ऑन क्या होता है, जितना हमने पानी डाला है वो धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. सो दैट प्रोसेस वी कॉल इट इवेपोरेशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज कंडेंसेशन. नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट, कंडेंसेशन. सेम दैट इज व्हेन द गैस इज चेंज इनटू द लिक्विड. मीन्स गैस किसमें चेंज हो रही है, इनटू द लिक्विड ऑन कूलिंग. What कूलिंग होने पर वो लिक्विड में चेंज हो रही है, दैट प्रोसेस वी कॉल्ड इट कंडेंसेशन. एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट द एग्जांपल्स, बॉइलिंग ऑफ वाटर, इट्स चेंजेस इनटू गैसेस. सेम एज व्हेन वी कवर्ड दैट बॉइल्ड वाटर टू अ लिड. हम एक लिड से अगर उसको कवर कर देते हैं, लेटर ऑन वी हैव टर्न ऑफ द नॉब. हम उस नॉब को भी ऑफ कर देंगे. जब वो ठंडा हो जाएगा पानी, so you can see or observe that the droplets are formed on that lid. अंडर द लिड आपको ड्रॉपलेट्स दिखेगी. दैट मीन्स दैट गैस वो किस में चेंज हो गई, ड्रॉपलेट्स में. दैट मीन्स इट इज चेंज इनटू द वाटर. वी कॉल दैट प्रोसेस इज द कंडेंसेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस इज मेल्टिंग. इन द मेल्टिंग द सॉलिड, व्हेन द सॉलिड सब्सटेंस चेंज इनटू लिक्विड on cooling. No, on cooling नहीं, on heating. Means कि when the solid substance change into liquid on heating. So that means if we have a ice, we just removed it from the freezer. हमने freezer से बाहर निकाल दिया. So when the ice is solid, ice क्या है, solid है. अगर हमने उसको freezer से बाहर निकाला है, so वो किसके अंदर आ गया, रूम टेम्परेचर के अंदर आया. That means there is a heat आउटसाइड द फ्रीजर. फ्रीजर के बाहर क्या है, हीट है. सो वो आपको जो आइस है वो क्या हो जाएगा, मेल्ट हो जाएगा, पानी के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. दैट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ द मेल्टिंग. सो द सॉलिड सब्सटेंस व्हेन इट इज चेंज इनटू द लिक्विड ऑन हीटिंग, दैट प्रोसेस वी कॉल इट मेल्टिंग. सेम एज नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस इज फ्रीजिंग. When the liquid, that is the reverse of the melting. Okay, same as evaporation is the reverse of the condensation and the reverse of the, what means both are interchangeable. So evaporation, condensation, and condensation to evaporation. Next is freezing, that liquid change into solid on cooling. Same as in the ice tray, we fill the water and keep it in the freezer. Later on we will see it form like a ice. वो किस में form हो जाता है, ice में form हो जाता है. And ice have a solid. ice क्या है, solid है, have a closely packed molecules. जब भी कोई चीज़ solid हो जाती है, they have a closely packed molecules there and the strong force of attraction between them. So these are about the changes of states: evaporation, condensation, melting, and freezing. And in the next chapter we will, in the next session we will learn about the expansion of matters or even contraction in matters. Okay, so bye bye children, take care, thank you.